the entire road is a freaking river. Oh, there's some wind. Oh.
And here we are at the American Revolution Museum. Yes, rather.
It's very cool.
It is cool.
We learned that Maine used to be called Massachusetts.
Yeah.
We had no idea.
No wonder they have terrible accents too. Meh.
You all know me. I'm not just a cop. I'm a father, I'm a son, and above all, I'm from Boston.
Boston accent.
All right. So look, Massachusetts, New Hampshire. Hey, Massachusetts again. Muskets. Yes. And then look at the horn.
Whoa.
Woo. We also learned that that little tab right above there is for holding a burning rope, which then dips into the gun and sets off the gunpowder to fire it. So, you know, the more you know.
We should just take a picture.
I'm taking video right now. Look.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's King Reginald something the third. No, it's King George the Third or something. All right. This guy. He's styling. And I'm going to enter the Red Lion Tavern where I'm going to have a pint now. Aw, there's no pints in here. Gosh dang it. Eli, pour me a pint. Erica, phone again. All right. The YouTube video is just going to be a collab of all the times you're toying with your phone. Kitty cat claws. Well, why is that creeping me out? That's trippy. So FYI, there's nobody walking in front of there.
3 of us will travel to some of the most highly active paranormal locations where we will spend an entire night being locked down from dusk until dawn. If this is the portal of hell, well, why don't you come up out of that ground and get us? Raw. Did someone just scratch me? Extreme. Oh, stop! Stop running! These are our ghost adventures.
What do you see?
I see this one closer, this one closer, that one closer, that one closer, and that.
Madam, I do declare. What? Okay. What do you see? Jeez, look at that cannon. Yes.
They are formed in 3 lines with militia in them.
Yeah, show me. What do you got?
Philadelphia. There was the Battle of Clouds.
Okay.
The Great Britain had 18,000 for soldiers. Men, we had 10,000. 31 of our men were killed, wounded, or captured. 7 of those were killed, wounded, or captured.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wait. It's not a battle.
What's a battle?
Let's go. Did that boy say, what's a battle? No, he said, what's that rattle?
31 out of 10,000 died and 7 out of 18,000. It said killed, wounded, or captured, so, you know. It's not a battle, that's like a slap fight.
2. Here goes the champ.
Not to downplay it. Okay. Yes, what do you got?
You choose a spot.
Ooh,
to
okay.
look at. See if we can go back. Look, it still lists Maine as
Man.
Massachusetts here.
They even had a
good.
battle in Maine.
Penobscot Expedition.
Okay.
See, we had 3,000 forces. Great Britain had 2,350.
Jeez, we lost way more. How did we win this revolution? Hold on, where are we at right now? So we are in... Oh geez, there's a lot right where we're at right here. Holy cow, okay.
Let's do the gunpowder incident.
The gunpowder incident. Nothing happened. Nobody died. It's a slight mishap with gunpowder. No, I'm just kidding.
Go Foxtrot, they're all over us! Go, go, go! Send the napalm! Send
Okay, well that's some flame. Let's try this again. Battle of
Yeah,
Queens.
do a battler. See, that one's intense.
How come we kept losing?
We
so
keep
many
losing
men?
more guys, but somehow we won.
This makes no sense.
It's because we had the smolder in our eyes.
Oh, we did have less guys though.
Ah! You're too close. It's kind of funny because we basically have the American Revolution Museum entirely to ourselves because there's nobody else here. So, you know, jealous everybody. So, kind of weird. I noticed this camp is exactly in the game Assassin's Creed 3 during the American Revolution. Like, almost to a T. So, yeah, that's kind of blowing my mind here. I kind of feel like I'm inside the game, which, you know, I know it's nerdy, but I'm a nerd.
Where are they?
So, there you go.
So we're here in the RV, and let me show you right now. It is flooded. It's only up to our front tire of our truck. So you come out here, and the entire road is a freaking river. Oh, there's some wind. Oh. Look, it's an entire river outside. It's only up to our front tire. It is soaking wet. Completely wet. We're going to go to Kitty Hawk. We talked to the camp host, I think it was the camp host. They said it is perfectly fine over there. They said they're just getting high wind. I woke up this morning to find it was also like this last night, to find a wind and rain pounding against my window over there.
And I even opened half of my window.
I know, wake up. He goes, Eli, come here. I go out there, and it's closed. But he's like opening his window, and I go, Finn, no. And Dad even goes in there. My dad, he goes in there. He's like, no, Finn, shut the window. It's nuts. So,
Get your butts back in here.
I know. It's an entire river.
We
Did
need
you tell
the
them where we're
road.
going?
Yeah, I told him that we're going to Kitty Hawk.
Yeah, supposedly
It's fine
supposed
there.
to be fine there, but it's supposed to be pretty stormy there as well. But yeah, so RV life has its challenges.
Yep.
Mom, you have
You talk to people.
No,
Okay.
you can have my apple.
So yeah, I woke up. It was like this last night. There was rain, like, pounding at the windows and stuff.
Ron, are you okay? Ron.
So it was kind of hard for me to sleep, but I got past it. I just ended up flipping over, and then it was fine. Tome
Yeah.
and stuff.
East Coast has way too many freaking storms. I kind of miss the West Coast. but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do. Did you stop dabbing? Jesus. So Finn's trying to break his new sand toy by trying to ride it down this sand hill. But perfect. Oh, Finny. What are you doing? What are you doing? Dude. Seriously? Seriously. Alright. It's kind of weird how many people just like drive out here. Like, it's a park ranger. Oh, is he going to get mad at that truck that's out there? There's a truck parked way out on the beach, which I don't know if you can do that, but we're going to learn today.
You gonna learn today? Alright, alright, alright.
We're about to get served. Totally cool. I mean, there's lots of tracks out here. Never heard of people being able to just to drive their trucks on the beach. Yeah, we're here in almost in Kitty Hawk.
Dad, did you see that?
We're yeah, kind of between Kitty Hawk and Kill Devil Hills.
Dad, I can see one.
Little demonic.
Remember?
Yeah.
The horseshoe crab. Remember?
Did you? Oh, you found the same thing?
Yeah.
Let's go here. Show everybody.
Look.
So I think we found these earlier. It's basically it's like an egg of the horseshoe crab.
Yeah.
And I guess they cling on to plants, but we found like 3 of these things already.
Yeah. And
So if any of you guys have seen the Disney short, I can't remember what the name of it is, but the little bird that is terrified of the water. Hang on, Finn. But eventually he starts catching clams inside the water. Those are these birds right here. They're out here looking for little shells and things out here.
Dad, look. It's kangaroo shop. Kangaroo shop. Kangaroo shop. Kangaroo shop.
Alright!
Yeah, Finn just reminded me the name of that Disney short is called Piper. These birds keep going in, and then they run away from that. Finn, go, 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 go! Jesus! Look, go, Finn, go! The waves here are crazy. You don't expect it to come that far back, but all of a sudden they'll just get a huge one rolling back, and we both got our pants wet already.
Hey, look, everybody. Billy peed his pants.
Of course I peed my pants. Everybody my age pees their pants. It's the coolest.
Really?
But it's a little scary out today. They had a lot of storms. It's supposed to get really high winds tonight, so probably gonna be crazy tomorrow out here. But beaches are really pretty. It's huge. Yeah. But here it comes. Look out. And Puma's terrified. Right, buddy? Second day near Nags Head, North Carolina. And my dog will not choose a spot to poop. Has to find the perfect spot to poop. Even though it's insanely windy out today. Yeah. Hashtag proof. The perfect spot to drop a bomb, despite terrible weather. Come on, buddy, just pick one. Pick one. I don't know what you guys. Oh, there we go. All right, and see. Okay, so we're here at, where are we?
I don't know.
The Oregon Inlet something house from late 1800s. We're on an island There is nobody else here because it's bitter cold and super windy. Oh yeah, and Finny got a shark drink from Dirty Dick's Crab House.
Yeah.
It's a name, so we don't have to bleep that out.
It came with salt.
Duh, it did. This is beautiful out here.
Yeah.
Other than the wind, this is amazing. Woo! Look at that, the sun's almost setting. Eli decided to stay back in the truck with Linky because he only brought a light sweater and he'd probably die out here. But this is awesome. And look, my new home purchase. Only 75 million. Pittance. Woo. Oh, it's moving the sand. What do you think, Erica? Did we find our new home?
I want to live out west a little bit, where it's more family oriented.
Ideally, I'd like to live out in East Fort Lauderdale, just due to the fact that so much of my daily activities involve the ocean.
Hey, if more people would like and subscribe, I might have enough money to buy this beast. Hint, hint, viewers.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Winter, it's all blocked. It's up on stilts.
All right.
This is as close as we can go.
Yeah. That's about as far as we're gonna go, so I'll talk to you guys later.